it how I want. I real arrogant. I real arrogant.
Now it's time to check out the Caribbean video of the week. Let's check out Arrogant by Kerwin Dubois.
Somebody said, oh, oh, oh. Somebody said, oh, 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 oh. Yeah, somebody said, oh, oh, oh. Every day I said to myself, I'm setting myself up mentally. Don't know what will come when it come, when it come, when it come to me. Come to me. I hearing a voice in my head keep telling me that now is the time. Now is the time. So I heading up straight to meet my click. Ready up, be no realistic. Let it be known, we different from your own. Clear out with space now.
Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, before I present the next performer, I would like to tell you a joke, and it goes like this. Two men walk into a bar. One of the bar members said,
We going to make waves up in here. So much energy in my hand. I see life on the jam set wave, and I go up there to done this place. But I real arrogant, doing what I want, doing it how I want. I real arrogant, doing what I want, doing it how I want.
Reggae veteran Freddie McGregor enjoyed major success in the UK in the late 1980s. Let's hear more in this week's Ray Proud Jamaican Spirit feature.
Jamaican singer Freddie McGregor began music in 1963 at the age of 7 as one of the founding members of the group, the Clarendonians. Then known as Little Freddie, he joined a group called Generation Gap. His career continued into the 1970s, recording for various music producers into the early 1980s. In 1983, he started his Big Ship label and produced for a number of well-known Jamaican artists. His career took off internationally in the mid to late 1980s when he released hits including Big Ship.
Big ship sailing on the ocean. We don't need no commotion. Big ship sailing on the ocean.
Push Come to Shove.
Everybody gonna put the blame on me for loving you, for loving you.
Born a Winner. So I'll Wait for You.
And so I will wait for you, just as long as you want me to. Yes, I'll wait for you. I know you'll come through.
And his biggest hit song to date, Just Don't Want to Be Lonely, which was featured on his self-titled item for Polydor Records. Just Don't Want to Be Lonely reached number 9 in the UK pop chart in 1989, and the follow-up single, That Girl, Groovy Situation, reached number 47. Freddie has to date released over 30 studio albums. His most recent release was 2013's The Captain for VP Records. His 2002 album, Anything for You, earned a Grammy nomination for Best Reggae Album. We are indeed proud to salute singer Freddie McGregor and highlight his career achievements as our Ray Proud Jamaican spirit. Ray Proud Jamaican spirit.
Guys, this is so cool. I can't wait to go on. But now it's time to check out which songs made the cut on this week's Magnum Top 10 charts.
Between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell
you see me as a me make them proud. Fresh like water, no grass with no green, like a prince and princess, kings and queens.
So fine, me now waste time and you me come for. You mix up the fast with the slow.
I'll be the champion jockey, champion jockey, champion jockey. She no want a
champion boy, that's why everybody at the champion boy. Have a rich gal in the Hamptons boy. The bush never made in the champion boy fan. Now man I do my song stars.
Cause man see them true colors. Yeah. That's why me lose never. Yeah.
Annabella Punchinella, me no fella. What can you do, Punchinella, me no fella? She a do it too, Punchinella, me no fella. Can you read the Mars, Capella, deposit boy?
Let me tell you about real mad dog. Anywhere me go, me carry 3 bad dog. Looking at me and me never mean hot dog. Iron furnace, so the steel hot dog. Say you this cause I don't see.
Start it and them a run help you one call. Roberto Carlos hardball. Make the sex so we don't worry you can't wall. Boy skin good and tougher than all wall. When me cell phone them rich, real rich, rich, so rich, rich.
Look at me now, where them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh, oh, look at me now, oh, look at me now, oh, look at me now. I mean, I tell you my life, where them used to go round me, go round. No one used to come round me. My life was so lonely. Look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. The blessing does a flow over. It's a copia.
Sad to say, but that's how we pull the curtains down on this week's episode of Predis. We're coming to you from the Moon Palace, Jamaica Grand in Ochiria, St. Anne. Thanks to Endless Summer Boutique, Shop 7 Manor Park Plaza for this trendy outfit. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and all social media at Predis Show. I'm your host, Michaela Leana. See you next week.
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh,